Welcome back, fellow plant addicts. Hope you're all well. If you're new to my channel, my name is Hannah, also known as a tropical plant addict. And today I'm absolutely delighted to say that the Ginger Jungle have generously sent me another box of surprise plants. Actually, 2 boxes have turned up, so I'm very excited. The Ginger Jungle specialise in rare and exotic houseplants, and they ship to the UK and the EU. If you're elsewhere in the world, I hope you enjoy the unboxing anyway, and it gives you some inspiration for your collection. Sorry if my voice sounds a bit dodgy. I've got a cold or hay fever or something. Watery eyes, itchy nose, don't know what's going on. Just thought I'd warn you. The Ginger Jungle have kindly provided me with a discount code for you. So you get 10% off your order, and the discount code is Tropical Plant Addict, which you just enter at the checkout where it says promo code. This isn't an affiliate link, it's just literally a discount code for you guys. I'll link all the details below, including the discount code, the Ginger Jungle's website and social media pages, so you can have a look. Apparently the plants I've been sent today belong to a new section on the website called Rare and Special Plants, so I am super excited to see what they are. I've been told that there's going to be a rare plant launch on the 26th of April at 8 PM UK time, so it's definitely worth subscribing to make sure you get a reminder and you don't miss out on any of the extra special plants, because I'm sure it'll be quite a limited stock. Right, let's get on to the unboxing. I don't know which box to start with. I think I might start with the small box first. I'm so intrigued to see what's in the boxes. I will be zooming into the plants for you so you can see them properly. Okay, I'm into the box at last. So the first plant we have is Ficus petiolaris. I'm not sure what that is. Whoa! I'm actually speechless. That's so beautiful. Oh, wow. It's got beautiful heart-shaped leaves and pink veins running through the leaves. Wow, I think this is gonna become one of my new favourite plants. As usual, I'm going to go onto the Ginger Jungle website and just have a look at the care instructions for this particular plant. The Ficus petiolaris, or petiolaris, commonly known as the petiolate fig and rock fig, is a fig that's endemic to Mexico. Very showy, beautiful velvet leaves with purple veins. Forms a thick stem, so you could bonsai it if you prefer, or let her grow nice and big. In winter, it may drop some leaves. I only have very limited stock, so grab one quick. These like a drink, but need good draining soil so they don't get waterlogged, so water once the top 2 inches of the soil is dry. They will grow best in part sun to shade, not full sun. Overall, these are a very easy and attractive houseplant. Wow, what a gorgeous plant to start off with. I am absolutely delighted. I'm not quite sure where it's going to go in the house just yet. Right, what have we got next in the box? Dremeopsis maculata. Another plant that I haven't heard of before. Whoa! Oh, that's awesome. Never seen anything like it before. The leaves almost look translucent, but then they've got little spotty bits showing through. Almost reminds me of like leopard print. Wow, this little guy looks really exotic. I haven't got the faintest clue how to care for this plant, so I'm going to have a look on the website, see what it says. Dremeopsis maculata, also known by the common names little white soldiers, African false hosta, African hosta, and leopard plant. I love this spotty, quirky plant. They look great in any setting and are super easy to care for. I normally water my Dremeopsis maculata every 7 to 10 days. I find they like a good drink and there's always sparks of new growth. His light conditions can be sunny to partial shade. He's very easy and not particularly fussy. I mist my one now and again and wipe his leaves once a month. What an absolutely beautiful plant. I was actually going to say it does remind me of a hosta. I love the pattern on the leaves. It's so unusual. There's the cutest little flower coming up as well. Another one for your wish lists. Thank you so much. Right, I think there's one more plant in this smaller box. And here we have a Coir Fruticosa exotica. Again, I've never heard of this plant before, but it sounds very tropical. Whoa! Wow, that's amazing. What a stunning plant. All the leaves are lined with like a hot pink colour. The theme in my office is actually black and hot pink, so this one is definitely going in my office. Wow, how beautiful. Again, I've never seen one of these plants before. I don't even think I've seen photos of one either. Can't stop looking at it. Right, I'm going to have a look at the care instructions for this plant. The Coir Fruticosa exotica, also known as the good luck plant or tea plant. These are such pretty houseplants with bright, beautiful variegated pink, cream and green colourful foliage, very easy to care for. Tolerant of being grown in a variety of light levels, but I would say it needs bright light to keep the foliage looking plush. She can also take full sun, but that may reduce her beautiful colours. Keep the soil moist but not soggy. And apparently this plant likes high humidity, which isn't a problem because most of my houseplants like high humidity. That is one exquisite looking plant. Okay, moving on to the large box. I'm so excited to see what's in this box. Oh. Oh. Oh, I love it. Oh, it's massive. Thank you so much. This plant has been on my wish list for ages. For those that don't know what this plant is, it's a Tinanthe golden mosaic. Well, that's quite breathtaking, isn't it? It's like a tree. Wow. The variegation on it is absolutely gorgeous. I'll put it here next to me. Let me just admire it for a moment. Well, as most of you know, I absolutely love my prayer plants, so this is an absolutely spectacular plant to add to my prayer plant collection. Absolutely thrilled with it. Can't get over the size of it. Okay, I'm going to read the care instructions from the website. This Tinanthe has marvellous golden variegated foliage, and its leaf surfaces are dramatically speckled or mottled in a creamy white or creamy lime and dark green. Really is a stunning houseplant. With the right care, these can be easy. They will do best in bright light indoors or filtered sunlight to semi-shade. Never leave them in direct sunlight as that will bleach or scorch their leaves. Keep the soil moist but never waterlogged. Always check the soil before watering. Avoid drafts and low temperatures. Like most houseplants, humidity is important, and they recommend to use a pebble tray, as this should stop the leaves turning brown, and also misting a few times a week can also help. Well, all I can say is what a superb selection of plants I've been sent. Thank you so much, that's so generous of you. I can't wait to put them in their new pots and get them placed around my home. I'm definitely going to be taking a lot of photos of these plants, so if you're not already, come over and follow me on Instagram at Tropical Plant Addict. I pretty much post every day on Instagram. I really hope you enjoyed the unboxing as much as I did. Thank you so much for watching. If you've got any questions, as usual, just leave them in the comments below. Go and check out the Ginger Jungle's website and let me know in the comments below if you buy anything. Also, feel free to tag me in any of your plant pictures on Instagram so I can have a look. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye everybody.